why, can't really put it into words, but it's knowing that you get up and you've got somewhere to go to and that you'll enjoy it while you're there and you'll have company. You know, it's lovely.
At this time now, when people haven't got the money to spend, it's somewhere where they can gather and enjoy each other's company, and it's lovely, really nice. Yeah.
Sometimes I go up there and really stressed out, and by the time I've finished, I'm calm. I love it because there's different people showing me different things, there's interinteresting things going on, and also I have a 24-year-old autistic daughter, Amy, and when she's not in college, I can bring her and she loves it as well.
I think it's amazing what Healthy Blaenafon do for us oldies in the town. I have taken part. The first one was photographs of Blaenafon.
Yes, with the intergenerational.
With the intergeneration, yes, and the arty crafty one. And we've had quite a few craft ones here in the Workman's Hall, and quite a few up the big pit.
The over 60 that keep fit, and I come to the films. We've gone on trips, we've had a nice meal with the children that cooked for us, and also there's a few, lots of things we've been doing.
Come to the over 60s exercise, which is amazing. Ross is good, the company is lovely, because then we go and have a cup of tea afterwards, so it's social as well as good for your health. There's a cinema club, and I know there's the intergenerational.
I go to the over 60s exercise class, and I also go to Woodland Wellbeing.
Well, we went to some nice places. We went to Swansea, to the museum. We've been to the Welsh Museum, St Fagans, and into Cardiff, into the museum there.
Oh, that's a big one. We went to London.
Oh, we did. We went to London, to the VA.
You did, yeah.
Which was a wonderful day.
Greatly, it's got me out of the house, out of the rut, and I've met lovely people, really lovely. So, and it's nice to have a laugh. Oh, a lot. Really, really interesting and really friendly.
Keeping me fit or getting me fit, and the Woodland Wellbeing calms me down.
Meeting people, it takes you out of your comfort zone in a way, because it takes you out meeting people that you don't know, because sometimes we've had people from other places coming to see us, and it does take you out of your comfort zone.
I bring an elder lady with me, who hasn't got out of the house much over COVID. Oh, and it's done her the world of good, better than any medication. It's really put a little spring in her step.
We've met lots of nice people, and we've learned different skills and things, from small to large, haven't we?
Yes.
Yes, it's been really great.
I came here just under 5 years ago, not knowing many people, and I've got a wonderful time now. I love it. The people are amazing. But that's thanks to Becca, Ross, and the Healthy Blaenafon team.